Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to use GLM 5.3 final version for free. As you can see, I used GLM for 5.3 to create this Netflix clone website. Okay, this category is not bar and this thing is and this two works on GLM 5.3. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, let's go right here to the zcode ai.com and download the zcode. If you have Mac, choose one of the links. Linux for me is Windows. I want to choose this one. Hit next. Okay, enter this one, hit finish. Now run zcode for me. Okay, connect to zcode AI. Right here. Continue with the Google. Choose your Google account. Yes, continue. Take this one, open zcode. Okay, fine. As you can see, my zcode is works. Okay, this is GLM 5.3. Now you can use it for free. Okay, let's create, for example, a website. Let's create Netflix clone. Okay, hit send. Always all now on this project. Okay, let's open it from here. Okay, as you can see, this is my Netflix clone that I create with GLM 5.3. Okay, when I click done. Okay, as you can see, it works fine. Thank you guys for watching this all for this